Did you know that 88% of users won't return to your website after a bad experience? Yes, the number is alarming, but a good UX design can improve the user experience, customer confidence, and satisfaction. Hi, I'm Pragya and I'm a digital marketer at Tatvik Analytics. In this video, I will talk about 12 UX tips that directly impact the conversion, engagement, business revenue, and profits of your business. First, call to action button, that is CTA design and placement. Do you know that green CTA buttons are more effective than red ones? A proper color to your CTA can be a game changer. Effective headlines can be a game changer too, and it should include words that elicit emotion, create a sense of urgency, and demonstrate scarcity. Second, quick page load time. Make sure that your pages are mobile optimized and loads under 3 seconds for good user experience. Third, use high quality and original photos. Try to use original and authentic images, no matter how basic or maybe how simple they look. Stay away from any kind of stock photos. Fourth, content visibility and optimization. White space or negative space of your website helps you to achieve great website design. With shorter attention span, it's crucial that whatever little content they read, it's actually easy to read and easy to comprehend. Fifth, easy and clear checkout steps. There are no set rules for this particular tip. Try and test whatever works the best for you. However, if you are an e commerce business, it's paramount to reduce the steps of the checkout process. Sixth, guest login works wonders. Your customer may like your product enough to buy them, but only a few of them would want to create an account and start a relationship with you. So don't ever force a sign up on a checkout page, especially if you are an e commerce business. Seventh, right duration of animation or transition. Animation draws attention of the user and can control where they want to focus. Be particular about putting it at the right place and with the right speed. Eighth, avoid bouncing and motion blur effect in animation. The movement of the object should be clear, sharp, and strategic. Exclude the bounce effect and only use it in exceptional situations. Ninth, use easing effect instead of linear for animation. Easing helps to make the movement of the object look more natural. For the animation to not look mechanical and artificial, the object should move with some acceleration or deacceleration. 10th, proper navigation throughout the site, that's sitemap. Clean and simple navigation makes it easy for your users to quickly locate what they need. Think of what your customers would look for on your site more frequently. Then try to make it more visible. 11th, have consistent color palettes according to the branding. Too many colors can create a distraction. A good tip is to use 60-30-10 rule. 60% is the main color, 30% is your secondary color, and 10% is your accent color. 12th, create autocomplete and search suggestion functionality. Autocomplete search allows users to click on suggestions. The instant feedback given by autocompleting can help improve the overall user experience on the site. That's it from the 12 UX tips that can help your business convert faster. For more tips, approaches, and perspectives, read the success stories posted on our website. Feel free to reach us out at hello@tatvik.com.